Y'all want to clean out a chicken coop? Yeah, me either. There's a tornado watch all of a sudden, so I gotta be fast. Don't know if this is the best angle for y'all to be at. Drywall in this shed was probably not the best thing I could have done, but it's probably not the worst. This is a future nesting box. I will eventually switch to sand in the coop, but sand is a lot more expensive than like a bag of pine shavings here and there. I always find it so funny when I tell people that I'm getting chickens, or when I told people that I was getting chickens, they would say things like, you know that you have to clean out and muck out the stalls, right? No, I was just gonna let my chickens live in filth. Obviously, I know that. I feel like I can get y'all in closer now. Oh, y'all fell in the chicken shit. No! It was on a clean spot. Don't know what just happened. I think a tornado warning came through on my phone. I need to refill this too. Yo, it just got so dark.
Come to our yard, our pool's gonna get just paint it on.
Maybe. And reset up their temporary roosting bar. Storm is here, but their feeder's empty. We had them on starter and grower feed, but they are now on all flock because the big chickens were getting in here and eating their feed. I need a new feeder, but this one does for now. I have 11. I have 11. 11 through the fence. 11, 12, 13, 14.
There, I haven't closed their run though. I closed their coop.
Thanks for cleaning the coop with me, guys. See y'all on the next one. Bye.